So with that said, to get started, just please follow this link to download the 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. And once you click on the link, you will come to this ClickFunnels website. Just scroll down a bit and you will see this blue button here to start your free 14-day trial. And it will be something like this depending upon how old this video actually is. But you will see the trial button here, so just click on that. So just enter your name and your email address here along with your password, and then click on the Create My ClickFunnels account now. Alright, so as you can see here, this is step 2 of 2. You put in your billing information to start your 14-day free trial. The only thing I want to note is ClickFunnels does come in two versions or variations. One is $97 a month. The other is $297 a month. And during this 14-day free trial, I think if you scroll down here, you're going to be with the Pro plan, pretty much the one that includes the entire Edison suite. That includes a backpack and Actionetics. If you don't know, Backpack is an affiliate add-on that allows you to track and manage affiliates of your products. Actionetics is an add-on autoresponder by ClickFunnels. If you don't know what an autoresponder is, basically when someone gives you their email address, like in our demo, we can stay in touch and nurture our list to provide them with awesome value and even offer more of our products and services as well. So with that said, if you look up here, there's no contracts, downgrade or cancel your account anytime with a single click from your dashboard. So if you sign in now for the free trial, you can always downgrade or cancel your trial anytime. So with that said, I'm not going to insult your intelligence, so please just complete the trial registration process on your own, and let's get to the next step, shall we?